Sweet.
Easy. Right there facing that way. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Easy. Back right here.
Zipper.
Perfect. Very nice. Wow, good timing. Had the toes perfectly painted for this.
Well, good.
Yeah, you didn't even know this was coming.
I didn't.
We kind of we tend to ambush our patients. There you go. Sink real deep. Good. There's one. There's two. There's three.
I'm going to cry because I was so hopeless at that point, and now I am so hopeful, especially this past week. It's like I've been walking fairly normally, more than I have. My body keeps forgetting and saying, no, you're broken. So when I'm like, keep reminding it, no, you're not. And that, so if you get a chance and you have anything, come see Dr. Bain because he'll help you.